Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7412. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back, a rear backup camera, and the Chevy bedliner here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.